And I think the winner of any competition is not just average. He's earned his victory and the right to recognition. And I'm glad the students and faculty of this high school have decided to recognize with an appropriate award a winner in academic achievement. It's an important award, and I believe in it, and I'm proud to present it. The first award for scholarship, a sweater and Bryant Park B to Robert Douglas.
Hey, you got it.